Hey there! In this video we're going to tackle a common problem that programmers might encounter. The problem revolves around checking in a portable way if a symbol stands for a symbol macro. This can be quite tricky to figure out, but fear not, we got a solution at hand. So, diving into the solution, we can use a function called variable information, which is available in certain common Lisp implementations like sbcl, Clojure, Lispworks, and others. By utilizing this function, we can determine whether a symbol represents a symbol macro. It's a handy tool that provides us with the necessary information to make this determination. For example, in sbcl, we use the provided code snippet to check if a symbol stands for a symbol macro. Continuing with our exploration of the solution, we can also employ ccl's package to access the variable information function. This package allows us to retrieve information about symbols, specifically whether they are symbol macros. Similar to sbcl, ccl provides us with the functionality to address this problem efficiently. The code snippet showcased here demonstrates how we can utilize ccl to check if a symbol represents a symbol macro. In summary, we've learned how to programmatically check if a symbol stands for a symbol macro using the variable information function in common Lisp implementations like sbcl and ccl. By leveraging this tool, we can efficiently address the problem at hand and determine whether a symbol is associated with a symbol macro. With that, I bid you farewell for now. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and leave a witty comment below. Happy coding!